the summer camp?
It's making all the skits that we have, and it's really fun being in groups because then I get to socialize with people. Yeah.
And then what is one thing you've learned from the camp as a peer leader?
I learned how to get feedback the proper way, like the PCB, and I learned just how to see people be leaders.
A girl who's interested in the camp but isn't sure if she wants to join it, what would you tell her?
I would tell them to pretty much do whatever they want, but I would definitely recommend this course depending on what their home life's like, how their confidence is, and how they do talking to other people. I definitely think this is a good course for anybody to take, and I think it's a very fun thing to do, and lots of people could learn from it, no matter if they think they could do it or not.